Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly Johnston here, Kelly's Truck Talk. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working, I'm still busy. I gotta do it while I'm driving down the road. This week in the summertime in July, I've been helping out a little event going on with our church. We're doing a sports camp throughout the week with a bunch of kids, grade 1 to grade 5, and just having a blast with these kids. It just finished up tonight, and we had a big father-kid soccer game. It was all the dads against the kids, and none of the kids are my kids. They're kids that they've been playing with all week. But I got in with the dads there, and it's funny. It reminded me of something, and it reminded me of how a bunch of realtors, there's an 80-20 rule in the real estate business. 80% of the realtors, roughly, a little higher than that actually, kind of struggle in the real estate business and never really get into that top 20%. And there's a lot of reasons for that. Some people are part-time, some people don't care, they just want to do a couple deals a year. Other people really struggle and then they just get out of the business. So whatever the reason is, doesn't matter, but that's just kind of the stats. It's very real. We talk about it all the time. And there's kind of something the top 20% do, right? What the top 20% do is different than the 80%. Well, have you ever watched a bunch of kids playing soccer? When you throw the ball out and you go, okay, kids, you got to try to get the ball into that goal, and you guys got to try to get the ball into that goal. And if you give them no direction, you give them no training, a lot of them haven't really worked on their skills yet, but they understand one thing: they got to get the ball to the net somehow, and they're willing to just go into the mob and just kind of keep kicking at it, bumping into each other. They'll even take the ball from the same teammates, from the people that are on their team that may be helping them. They don't recognize the fact that teammate could be there to help them, or they don't recognize that fact that they could actually help out that teammate. It's just about the ball. It's just about the ball. Just about the ball. Well, that's how real estate agents think. It's just about the commission check. It's just about the commission check. It's just about the commission check. And they just think in commission check, commission check, commission check. I got to bump into whoever I got to bump into. I'll bump into the same people that everybody else is bumping into. I'll do what everybody else is doing. I'll go after the same thing. But the ones who excel, the ones who actually score the goals or get the ball and actually get to run with it for a while, are the ones who are on the perimeter. They're waiting for opportunity. They're working smarter. They're seeing the field, right? Rather than just the ball on the ground and looking down at their knees and bumping into everybody and not seeing other types of opportunities. They just bump in. And as a real estate agent, you got to get out of the mob. You got to get out of the crowd. You don't hang around with a bunch of real estate agents unless they're there to help you learn and grow and get better, and there's synergy business going on or anything like that, like we have with our team. That's a different story. We work as a team, and everybody has positions on the team, right? And we give each other opportunity, and everybody gets to carry the ball and go with it, and then we help them and we support them, right? That's different. But a lot of agents, honestly, they just hang out with a bunch of other agents. They go drinking with them. They go hanging out with them. They do all these things with them. They're not going to do any business. They're actually their competition. When it comes time to go for a commission check, they're just going to bang into each other and steal the ball from each other, right? Think outside the box. Think outside the mob. Don't do what everybody else is doing. Try and figure it out.